morning, listeners. This is your RJ Vinay Vazandar. I welcome you to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. This project conceived by Dr. Sridhar. Its project investigator Sri Alok Verma and coordinators are Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha and Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an Elderline toll-free number 14567. I repeat, toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to the elderly. Today, we have Mr. Annappayya with us. He is a member of Nightingale's Bagchi Center for Active Aging. He is a very good stand-up comedian. It will be great fun listening to him. I am sure you will enjoy the show. I once again welcome you all to the Anubhav program. Over to Mr. Annappayya.
I am Annappayya, 76 years, retired executive in a public sector bank, resident of Bangalore. My forefathers were agriculturists. I still own some land in Udupi district. In fact, agriculture is in my blood. Obviously, gardening is my first love. Second hobby is cooking. While in service, I used to get very frequent cross-country transfers. If it happens mid-academic, for continuity of education of my children, I move alone from place to place. In order to survive, out of compulsion, I started cooking my own food. After retirement, I improved the culinary skill further. Now I cook well. My grandchildren relish my dishes. My wife, of course, not appreciative of my preparations. Professional jealousy, you see. I also eat sumptuously. I am a simple man with simple thinking. Try to be active always. Past 6 years, I am the member of the Active Aging program of the Nightingale Medical Trust, JNL. What I am presenting now are my experiences of selecting a suitable girl. It's all about the pre-marriage interviews, etc. I was 28 then, wanted to get married, sought my friend's advice to get married or not get married. Decision not bad, but not so good even, my friends told. It is like a double-edged knife. Thrills on the one side, bone-biting chills on the other. But don't worry, they told. Whenever in deep difficulty, look into your marriage album. You will see all of us always standing with you, there in support of you. Initially, a few proposals came, but all fizzled out. Mom told, horoscope doesn't match. Gotra and subcaste issues are there. If you sit on these things, Mom, I told, I will never get a matching girl. There is already an adverse sex ratio in the country. Girls are less in number compared to boys. If at all you want to match the horoscope, jolly well do it. But it will be your horoscope with that of your would-be daughter-in-law. All that tutu, meme, and the maximum number of battles in the world are fought between Sas and Bahu only. So, you match your horoscope with that of a girl, the girl whomsoever you want to bring. Okay. Then what type of girl you want? Mom, it is very simple. I want to marry a girl. What are you talking? Yes, Mom, girl only. Mom shouted, which boy is marrying a boy? Are you a lesbian? Mom, you don't know. There is a third gender. You see some specimens in the signal lights on the road? Mom, it's up to you. You are responsible to pick a real girl for me. Secondly, please, Mom, I don't want a beautiful girl. People should not tease at me later on. What a pity. Such a pretty girl is married to a clown in the circus. It should not be like, see, Aishwarya Rai married to Johnny Lever, that comedian character in the Bollywood. An enlightened friend of mine had put another brilliant idea into my head. He said, if your parents are poor, it's your fate, destiny. You can't do anything. But if your in-laws are poor, you are a stupid idiot. No, it is not for the demand of dowry or scooter, car, bungalow from in-laws. He told an anecdote, very interesting. At high school level, teacher asks each and every student, what you want to become in life? Too many aspirations to become doctors, engineers, researcher, pilot, astronaut, models, actors. Mahesh, what do you want to become? Teacher asked one Mahesh. Oh, I will set up a startup, make in India industry, grow it big. Want to become a super rich man, own a bungalow, imported cars, resorts, resources, private jets, super luxury yachts. Teacher asked, among others, a smart young girl, Hema, in the class. Hema, what do you want to become? Hema said, I want to marry that Mahesh. Okay, one day, Mummy told, we are going to see a girl. Come home early. We landed at the girl's place in the evening. As per tradition, chow-chow coffee was brought by the girl. Parents started exchanging notes. The connections of the great-great-great-grandparents with the two families. Bangalore of yesteryears of Kempegowda Jamana. Garden City, MTR food, traffic down, vegetable prices, and whatnot. Though in arranged marriage, parents don't want to take all the risk on themselves. Consent of both the boys and girls also needed. So, let the boy and girl also meet privately and discuss. This is at the first round of interview. According to my friends, at the first round of interview should be light and cordial, limited to schooling, college, work, nature of work, hobbies, places visited, and the like, but nothing beyond. No vision statements, no short-term, long-term goals in life, no KRAs, that's key responsibility areas, nothing on GDP, budget, nothing on interpersonal relationship, nothing about boyfriends, breakups, but the girls may ask anything. Unhesitantly, they will ask about your girlfriends. In that case, be ready to take up the questions. In this case, after the preliminary are over, came up the topic of hobbies. The girl opened up her interest: music, dance, painting, sculpture, pottery, fashion jewelry, hairstyling, tattooing, drama, modeling, so many art and craft, fine arts. At some point I thought she herself is a Lalita Kala Academy. Cooking? No mention about cooking. So I was curious. I asked, what more? She said, surfing, rafting, paragliding, mountaineering, bungee jumping, horse riding, all sorts of adventure sports, what she was interested. Still, not even a remote reference to cooking. I gathered some courage and asked, besides all these things, do you know little bit of cooking also? She stared at me, asked, you want me to cook food for you after marriage? In that case, you better marry a food delivery application. Swiggy, Zomato, Dunzo. Thereafter, there was a long silence. You know, result is also very obvious. After a month, one more proposal. The same routine, chow chow bath, coffee, interview, palana, etc. This time, to my surprise, the girl straight away came to the core issues. Do you smoke? In fact, I was not prepared for such queries at the preliminary round of interview. Anyway, ladki to patana hai. I wanted to impress her. No, I don't smoke. Do you drink? No. Social drinking? That also no. Drugs? No, Bara, no. So she asked again, do you have or had any girlfriends or breakups? I gave an emphatic no. The girl started scanning me up and down with very wide opened eyes. Later on, she gave a very broad smile. I thought, done. Ladki hasi, to fasi. A week was over. I was stretching my neck daily for receiving acceptance from the girl side. Nothing came. There is a common friend known to the girl also. He was looking sad. He was trying to console me. I asked him, what happened? Will the proposal go through or not? Is there anything wrong? That common friend, he blasted me. You idiot! Are you a Kodandrama? Personification of virtues? A hatta-katta naujawan says he is saintly and free from all vices. Not even a girlfriend, however kali boli she may be. A man in the prime of youth says, I am not interested in girls. What that girl will think of you? Arey, you are a fused bulb. You are like a high-end smartphone. No ringtone, no vibration. Battery is totally dead. The proposal also is dead, he said. I felt shattered with shame and sort of disgrace. After 3 months, the repetition of the same old process again. I told mom, this time I will come, but no interviews. You see, you talk, and you decide about the girl. I will agree whatever you say. We went to the girl's place. The same routine followed. Chow chow bath, coffee and all those things. Parents insisted that the girls and boys should meet. Reluctantly, I agreed. In the meeting, discussions were very, very basic. Nothing probing. We discussed. Surprisingly, after some time, I understood that the alliance clicked. All are happy. The actual marriage was 3 months away. Meantime, a housewarming ceremony of a relative. Girls also came there. I was there in the function. She was also a relative of the housewarming ceremony friends. We met, felt very happy. This is the first face-to-face meeting with a girl after that interview meeting. I was a little curious to know why this girl did not do any fact-finding, did not ask any questions during the first meeting, first interview. I straight away asked her, why did you not ask me about my habits, vices, girlfriends, if any, etc.? She smiled, said, it's okay. I told her, it's not okay for me. Please explain. Or else, you ask those questions now. Don't disappoint me. She told, that day when you came to our house, the way you are sitting in a shrinking position between your mom and dad, your formal dress, that blue pant and the light blue shirt matching with the pant, the way you have combed your hair, applying 100 ml of Navaratan tel. On seeing all those things, I thought any such questions are not necessary in your case at the time of first interview. I laughed. She also laughed heartily. That's all the end of my girl hunting.
Thank you, Mr. Annappayya. That was a great show. We thoroughly enjoyed it. We would like to have you at our podcasting station often. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you also enjoyed the comedy show. You are listening to Hiriyara Vani, Hiriyara Kathe, Hiriyara Jyote. Stay tuned. I shall meet you all again next time. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. I repeat, toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to the elderly. Bye for now. Cheerio. Take care.